से मेरी मुश्किलें बढ़ी हैं। इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
It is well said that positive thinking isn't about expecting the best to happen every time, but accepting that whatever happens is for the best. A pleasantly exuberant morning to all. Positive thinking has become the keystone for survival in the world wherein we stumble upon stress, anxiety, and depression with every step we take. Let us divide our thinking into two parts. Our positive thinking as Mr. Efficacious and our negative thinking as Mr. Inefficacious. Once our mind is filled with Mr. Efficacious, there is no place for the letter 1. We tend to think positively in every situation we are in. Positive thinking changes the way we look at things. It helps us to focus on the bright side of every circumstances. It changes our aura and secretes the serotonin hormone, which gives us a sense of well-being. It is crucial for us to stay positive in such dark times and let ourselves experience the change. Thank you.
Being positive is not about pretending that everything is good. It's about seeing good in everything. Morning greetings to everyone. You could have surely known the topic of our assembly by now. Yes, it's about being positive, not corona positive, but being positive in thinking at this critical time. Positivity makes your life bloom like a beautiful flower. Your positive thoughts, actions and energy makes you learn from your past, live in the present as well as hope the best for your future. The power of positive thinking helps in increasing the level of your confidence as well as makes your mind an abode of peace. Here are some ways in which we can be positive. Smile more. Be optimistic. Say I can instead of I can't. Find the good in negative situations. At last, I would like to end by a beautiful thought by Buddha. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Hence, think positive. Thank you. Stay safe, stay positive.
A very good morning to all of you. Once a scholar set out to meet a guru who was living in an ashram. As he met the guru, the scholar asked the guru, "Guruji, why does everyone call you a genius?" The guru replied, "It is because I can visualize everything." The scholar again asked, "What are some of those things you visualize?" The guru answered, "I can visualize a beautiful butterfly in an ugly worm that crowds around. In an egg that is so unattractive, I can see an eagle flying high. I can visualize new life in death, and I can see God in every human being I encounter." Dear friends, these responses of Guru are in fact so meaningful and thought-provoking. How many of us can visualize things like Guru did? How many of us can find hope in all the trials and tribulations we encounter every day? Are we able to see the glory of God in times of pain and struggle? In the scorching nights of winter, can we see the spring that is so soothing and comfortable? When we visualize our life in this manner, we all become genius people. So let's be positive and find beauty in all that we encounter every day. Wish you best of luck and God bless you.